man, there's another one. Look. I haven't seen any snakes. I'm thankful for that. But I seen a lot of crazy horses. Oh my god. Is that wild? Oh shit. Oi. Oi. Oh my god. Sit. Oi. Oh my god. This one is crazy. It's wild. That's why, you see? Oh man. Careful. Careful. Babe, wait, babe. My god. Wait, wait, wait. Oh my god. Where am I running? Wait, wait, wait. My god, why are you so crazy? Baby gold. I think that one. Oh, look at the mountain one. I think that one is bigger than a goat. Damn. Can't really see the. Yeah, he saw bigger. Ay, cabrón. You can't really see the mountains the way the camera view is. There he goes. I think we're almost there. Oh man. Now there's some cows right here. Wait, 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 cabrona. That one is a bull. Yeah, stay where you're at. Unless you want hapak. Is that another house? Oh man. There's more dogs over here. Look at those dogs. That means someone else lives over here. Vete a la verga. Give me the knife, baby, so I can eat this one. Cállate, cabrón. Where? Oh, very slippery over here. Ay, cabrón. Those horses probably belong to that guy that was right there. Oh shit. I thought there was someone. Yeah, it looks like they're doing. You see those bags? Looks like they've been collecting coconuts or something. That's the bad thing about having a lot of, because if you have a little, you know, you're not gonna come over here every day because it's super far, maybe. And then they're gonna be stealing your coconut and all your good stuff. Ha 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 ha.